Kakain lang, una agad kayo.
Yon. So the Enchanted Farm, we call this the Enchanted Farm Village University. So the keywords basically is farm, village, university. Farm because this is a productivity area. So as what Frank said earlier, that this is like the bigger version of our productivity and livelihood program that we're doing in Gawad Kalinga. Second, village because it's basically the heart of what we're doing here, why we're doing rural development in the first place. The main bottom line is to help the poorest of the poor, to create industries and not just livelihood programs, to scale up different businesses so we can have impact, it can impact really the business landscape, how we're doing business in this country. And third, as a university, this is a place for learning basically. As Tito Tony would usually say, it's a place of unlearning because of the things that we know in the past that does not work currently now. Currently that we're tackling different problems, the problem of poverty, which we have been having for such a long time, wala pa rin solusyon. So this is exactly the place for us to learn how to do business the right way, to create businesses with a heart, and also to learn how to love the poor, and basically to learn how to love the country. So all the visitors who come to the farm, most of them are really more interested about knowing the advocacy, getting to know what we're doing here in the space of social entrepreneurship, and really trying to find their place here also and how they can be involved in this kind of work. The social entrepreneurship is very new. Honestly, we don't actually want to define it with hindi yata nag-agree sa akin yung speaker.
I think may ano yan. Nag-static na cellphone.
Oh, it's my phone. Okay, it's my phone. Sorry. My bad. Okay, ay, nawala ako. Hindi ko na matandaan saan ako sumigil. As a social entrepreneur, yes. As a social entrepreneur, and basically, it's this for us, the Enchanted Farm Village University is a place for learning for all of us. Basically, for us social entrepreneurs, it's a good advantage for setting up our businesses here because for one, GK has a very good name, a very credible name, and the network has been very good to us. Just being able to tap the market for the different products that we're doing and that we're developing here in the farm is already a great advantage. Because as what Tito Tony said, we will not only make businesses that will remain to be livelihood programs. We will not only impact 5 families, but instead we will make 500,000 social entrepreneurs who will bring with them 100 families each entrepreneur. And that in that scale would actually already change the whole landscape of poverty in this country. And what we're doing is that this is the first Enchanted Farm of 25 farms all over the Philippines that we will do. So, just in the same way that GK started before with 1 home in Bagong Silang, and now we're already at 2,000 villages, this is in the same way that we want to scale up also what we're doing here in the Enchanted Farm. As this is the first farm, the pilot farm, experimenting everything, and we'll try to replicate it all over the country. So that's why when tourists come, it's really more of talking about advocacy. When we do the tour, it's really more talking about the stories along the way, the failures and the mistakes for us social entrepreneurs, where we've started, how the Enchanted Farm looked like before, when it was just all muddy and then everyone was just walking in mud, there was no road, water, electricity, etc., etc., etc. And now that we're in our a little more than 2 years already in existence, we've gone very far already in terms of development, but by our gauge, we're still actually at a very slow pace because in what we really believe in is that the poor cannot wait for all of us. So for us, it's doing it as fast as we can, doing development as fast as we can, and this hopefully will be like a microcosm of what a developing country should be and how everyone should really behave in being part of development. So for us, it's our job here is to inspire a lot more people to do this work in the same way that we're committing our whole lives also to this kind of work. Ate Rose would be one of our veterans already, or one of our mentors already in this kind of work. And then we've learned a lot from them. We've learned a lot from the social enterprises that have been set up before us. And for us, it's just really moving forward each and every time and always setting our goals straight and ending poverty by 2024. In 21 years, hopefully we can make that impact. Actually, not hopefully, but we will make that impact. And with your help, we will be able to create that a wider network, because as tour operators, you are the ones who have the best networks. You are the ones who have the best connections, and hopefully really spread advocacy forward with this kind of in what we're doing, and really use it also to our advantage. Yeah? Cool? Any questions before we do the demos? None? Okay, sige. The group is split this way and that way, is it? Yeah? Alexis, do you want to pick a group? Any group.